What a crazy question that can be answered 1,000 different ways. So let's be clear about something. This question is so big, it is partly practical, part philosophical, depending on the time frame. In the long run, as AI achieve enough complexity that practically we might as well treat it as fully intelligent, would this AI be dangerous, even at the existential level? Well, that's not what this video is about. That's an interesting topic we can discuss later on, even though it would all be guesswork, because even experts don't know, and world's smartest people have very different points of view. So in this video, we're just gonna focus on what's happening right now and what is likely to happen in the next few years. Stuff that's much more tangible and real, and it's already starting to affect people. And the answer is yes, AI can be very dangerous. Why? Because like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or to cause harm. A knife can cook dinner, or it can be used as a deadly weapon. AI is the same way. Again, as of now and near term, the danger isn't really from the AI itself. It's not conscious, or behave like as if it's conscious, or reach that level of complexity. The real problem is how people use it. So the question then becomes, are bad people with powerful tools dangerous? The answer then is of course yes. Here is how AI is already used in harmful ways, and some future likelihood of danger. We'll start with some specific topics and then broad topics. 1. Fake voices and fake videos. Scammers are using AIs to trick people. This has already happened, and it's going to happen at an increasing rate. This ranges from a harmless joke to causing serious financial and legal consequences for victims. 2. Spreading false information. I don't think I need to explain this part much. Social media is bad enough. AI is just all of that on steroids and then times by 1,000. False information can be used a million different ways to create harm. From what you believe at the individual level, to swaying political policies at the national level or even international level. 3. Cybersecurity and infrastructure control. At the small level, people can harm each other with it. With AI, companies can compromise and steal data from each other. And then we get to the governmental and national level where a certain part of a country's infrastructure can be attacked. Now, it's not as bad as what it sounds and what it's like in the movies, but a level of vulnerability and danger is definitely there. Alright, now let's get on to some of the bigger pictures. Okay, legal systems. More specifically, our outdated legal system. You see, the legal system is built so civilization can thrive and function. But now with video, audio, picture, all of which used to be hard evidences, soon to be in the same category as witness testimony, which is unreliable and it can be compromised 1,000 different ways. How is our already burdened legal system able to function? Video and audio can be fabricated better and better, and we are already at the point that many people, and then soon no one, can tell what is real or not. 4. The next big picture problem: job loss and economic adaptation or disruption. This is actually another huge topic that we can make a whole entire, not just video on, we can probably make an entire channel on this part. But I'll just quickly say that job being replaced by AI is not intrinsically a bad thing if we are using AI to produce the same amount or more goods, products, and services, aka GDP. Then it is logically a good thing AI is taking over jobs. It is only bad when our economic and political system isn't able to adapt quickly enough to the need of a whole new system of resource allocation, which unfortunately our economic system and legal system and political system certainly won't be adapting fast enough. So at best, we hope there is a period of what is likely chaos and transition, and this period will be contained and controlled, and it will be short. Companies are already replacing workers with AI at an increasing rate. Not surprisingly, the writers, data entries, basic to mid-tier data analysts, entry-level developers are being replaced the fastest. Studies have proven even at doing typical medical diagnosis. Again, this is not my opinion, it's study after study. AI has been proven to be more accurate than doctors. Now, in no way I'm saying you should trust AI more than your family doctor, but you can use AI to get a general idea, but always consult your human doctor. But the main point is, it is basically affecting every industry. Not surprisingly, for now, the blue-collar jobs are safer right? Relatively speaking, compared to white-collar jobs as a whole. AI isn't perfect and nowhere near, but it's already getting good enough that businesses and government agencies are starting to replacing more and more positions and part of the working process to AI, reducing human labor. And AI is only going to get better exponentially. This word alone I can make a video for, because people can intellectually know what it means, but they do not intuitively, psychologically know what it actually means, and therefore prepare for it, the word exponential. Maybe I'll make another video for it. So, in the short to midterm, AI is dangerous when used by bad people, and AI is likely dangerous because it is so disruptive to our current economic and legal system, which are also all just run and controlled by people. I already said we're not going to discuss whether AI is dangerous or not long term as an entity of its own. Let's worry about getting through the short term problems that I have talked about first. So, let me know what you think in the comments, because what you think about this directly affects how well we can handle the short-term legal and economic issues that is heading our way, and how we're going to react to it. And you have to be practical. You can't just say, well, let's shut AI development down or slow it down. This is practically not possible on a 8 billion people planet with God knows how many entities like countries, agencies, companies all gunning for the golden crown, the general intelligence AI, which I will explain in another video. There are likely hundreds or of thousands of such powerful entities working towards developing AI. And the only way for AI developments to stop or even slow down a little bit is if all of them agree. All of them agree to stop and slow down. And all of them are honorable to their words and trust each other. Like this global consensus, which is obviously, probability is basically zero. So let's just say the coming years is going to be interesting. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.